Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Code Beyond Degree. Today we will see how to keep our website safe by creating backup files of our website. It is done with the help of all-in-one WP migration plugin. This plugin also allows us to import and export website and its contents. Now in this video, we will see how to import, export and backup our websites. Go to Dashboard, hover on Plugins, then click on Add New Plugin. Search for All-in-One WP. Install All-in-One WP Migration. Then we will activate All-in-One WP Migration. After then, we will click on All-in-One WP Migration. Here we can import, export and backup our websites. Now let's backup our website first. Click on Backup. Now to create backup of website, click on Create Backup. Here you can see backup process is started. Wait for some time to complete the backup. Backup has been completed. If you want to download backup file, just click on Download button to download file. If you just want to keep backup, then click on Close button. I have downloaded the file and click on Close button. Here you can see backup of website. In future, if website got crashed while updating, you can go to Backup and click on Restore option. It will help to restore our website, same as when we have created backup. If you want to import website, go to Import menu. Then click on Import From. Here you can import from file, URL, Dropbox and so on. Here I am going to import from file. Click on File, select File. Here we can see import has been started. Here you can see error message because we have imported the same file which we have previously backup. You will not see such message while importing your website. Just don't select the same file. I will close this message and move forward to export file. Click on Export menu, then go to Exported to and then select the file option. Here we can see export has been started. If you want to download, you can click on Download button to download exported file. In this way, we can export, import and backup our WordPress website by using WordPress plugin. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe and click on the bell icon for further notification. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep motivated, keep learning.